Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem, and we have m square minus n square equals to 4 and m multiplied by n equals to 2, and we need to find the value of m plus n. So that the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we call this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So now the very first step we are going to do is, here first we take the squaring on both of the sides of equation number 1. So that here we write our equation number 1 implies that m square minus n square and its whole square equals to 4 square. So here we open the square identity in the left hand side and we get m square and its whole square plus n square and its whole square minus 2 times of m square into n square equals to 16. And now in the next step we simplify the terms and we obtain m to the power of 4 plus n to the power of 4 minus 2 times of m square into n square equals to 16. And now in the next step we rearrange or we rewrite this equation as m to the power of we break this m to the power of 4 as m square and its whole square plus n square and its whole square minus, we break this expression and we write it as plus 2 times of m square into n square minus 4 times of m square into n square. We break this minus 2 times of m square into n square as plus 2 m square n square minus 4 m square n square equals to 16. And now here you focus on these terms and you see that it will becomes the nice square identity. So you already know about this identity. Here we write this identity. If we have a plus b whole square, or if I can write here a square b square whole square, it is equals to a square and its whole square plus b square and its whole square plus 2 times of a square b square. So if you focus on these terms, so you see that this is the right hand side of this identity. So when we combine this right hand side to the left hand side, it will be written in this form. So that we write this expression as m square plus n square and its whole square minus, here we have 4 times of m square n square, and we write it as 4 times of m multiplied by n and its whole square. So here we combine the square of m and n. And in the next step you focus on the given question statement, and we have equation number 2 tells us that the value of m n equals to 2. So we use the equation number 2 here and we write it as, from equation number 2 we have m square plus n square and its whole square minus 4 times of 2 and its whole square equals to 16. So here we just put the value of m square and n square, and now we simplify the equations and we have m square plus n square and its whole square equals to, here you have 2 square becomes 4 and 4 times 4 equals to 16, and this is minus 16. When we move towards to the right hand side it will becomes plus 16. So here we have 16 plus 16, and now we simplify the terms and we have m square plus n square and its whole square equals to 32, and we write this 32 as 16 multiplied by 2 because 16 times of 2 becomes 32. And in the next step we take the squaring on both of the sides. So when we take squaring on both of the sides, then you get m square n square and its whole square and its square root equals to square root of 16 times of 2. And here you see that this 2 and square root are cancelled by each other, and we obtain m square plus n square equals to, we know that the square root of 16 equals to 4, and the square root of 2 becomes 2, and this will becomes in plus minus sign because we take the square root on both of the sides. So in the next step we move towards to find the value of m plus n, and now you see that we find the value of m plus n and we take the square on m plus n, and we write it as the square of m plus n equals to m square plus n square plus 2 times of m multiplied by n, and we have the value of m square plus n square is plus minus 4 into square root of 2 plus 2 times of mn, and from equation number 2 we have the value of mn equals to 2. So we written as 2 times of 2 is 4 plus minus 4 times of square root of 2. And here we get the value of m plus n whole square equals to, we take common plus 4 and we get 1 plus minus square root of 2. And now in the next step we break this equation and we write the positive and negative terms separately, and we have m plus n whole square equals to 4 times of 1 plus minus square root of 2. So we break this equation as m plus n whole square equals to 1 plus square root of 2, and we write here the negative term which is m plus n whole square equals to 4 times of 1 minus square root of 2. And here now the time to take the squaring on both of the sides of both cases. So in that case we take the square root on both of the sides. So here you again take the square root on these sides and this side as well. So this 2 and square root are cancelled by each other, and we get m plus n equals to the square root of 4 equals to 2, and the square root of 1 plus square root of 2. And in the first case we get the value of m plus n equals to plus minus 2 times of square root of 1 plus square root of 2. So these are the first two real solutions of the given problem, and now we find or we solve this case, and here these two are cancelled by each other, and we get m plus n equals to plus minus the square root of 4 becomes 2 into square root of 1 minus square root of 2. So these are the other values of m plus n. So this is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.